Hi, second grade. Today we're going to talk about how an author paints a picture. The books you read are like paintings. Instead of using a paintbrush, authors use words. Okay, so how do authors paint pictures with words? One way is they describe the setting. A second way is they include sound words. Another way is they use small actions. And another way, the last way, is they include lots of dialogue. So if an author has all of these in their story, you can basically close your eyes as somebody is reading it to you and have a picture in your mind, almost like a movie going. That's what makes a story really good. So today, I'm going to start to read a story called On Kiki's Reef. And in this story, the author, uses small actions to help paint the picture. So as I read, I'm going to notice the precise words that this author uses to help us paint the picture of the story. So it's On Kiki's Reef. A baby green sea turtle pops her head out of the sand. It's Kiki. She's just hatched from her egg, buried deep below. Kiki scrambles across the beach with her brothers and sisters. Birds try to peck them. Crabs try to grab them. Some never make it to the water. Kiki does. So if you look, um, the author says a baby green sea turtle pops her head out. Okay, she hatched from her egg that was buried deep below. She scrambled across the beach. The birds they didn't try to just get the turtles, they pecked them. The crabs tried to grab them. Okay, so she uses a lot of small little action words to bring her story to life. Surf and spray carry Kiki away. She paddles wildly. The wide open ocean is a big place for a little turtle. She searches for food and hides from big fish that would swallow her in one bite. Kiki is smart and brave. She paddles wildly. In my mind, I can see her going and paddling. Okay, she searches for food. After surviving in the open ocean for 6 birthdays, Kiki is larger. Her shell is brighter. Her flippers are stronger. She's big enough to search for a new home closer to shore. Colors and shapes swirl beneath her in the shallow water. It's a coral reef. Corals look like plants, but they are not. They're animals, but they're not like any animals Kiki has seen before. Some look like fans, others look like tubes. One coral looks like a brain. Year after year, their hard skeletons build up to make a giant reef, a magical underwater island. Kiki explores. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here. Think about the last page or two that I read. Do you notice any small actions that the author wrote to help paint her picture? Now you're going to read in your stories, you're going to look in your series for action words that the author used to paint a picture.